Today is the 527th birthday of French mathematician and cartographer Laurent Finet. Born on the 20th of December 1494, Finet earned a degree in medicine at the Collège de Navarre, Paris in 1522. However, Finet instead would earn his fame in the mathematical field. One of Laurent's most significant contributions were his works in cartography, having developed the heart-shaped cordiform map projection in 1531. Inscribed on the map is a description by Finet, a representation of the entire world according to the views of modern geographers and hydrographers, preserving the proportion of the center to both the equator and the latitudes laid out on a plane in the form of a double human heart, of which the left comprises the northern part and the right the southern part of the world. The map was adopted by many cartographers of the time. Among many observations, the legend marked Asia covers both Asia and North America, while South America is considered exclusively America. A proposed hypothetical landmass, often named Terra Australis, was also drawn, with the legend referring to a recently discovered but not yet completely explored archipelago, now known as Terra del Fuego in South America.